Perhaps you already know how to run a Degree Audit Report, or DAR, for your declared program, meaning your currently declared major and/or minor. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to model a DAR for a different major and/or minor that you have not officially declared. This is a helpful tool for program planning when you are considering a possible alternate major, double major, or additional minor. To get to your Degree Audit Report, or DAR, log on to My UCLA. Then click on the Academics tab, go to Academic Profile, and then click on Degree Progress Audit Report. When you get to the page entitled Completed Audit Requests, click Run Audit. When you get to the page entitled Request an Audit, instead of clicking on Run Declared Programs, which would run your officially declared major and minor, click instead on Select a Different Program to model a What-If DAR for the major and/or minor you're considering. Choose the school or college that houses the major you're considering, and for the catalog year, choose the term you were or will be officially accepted into that school or college. For the purpose of this video, let's say I'm currently a second year who was accepted into the College of Letters and Science in 2024 fall as a biology major. I am considering switching to the English major and adding an Asian American Studies minor, both of which are also housed under the College of Letters and Science. I'm going to click Major. And for the major's catalog year, I'm going to estimate the term that I'll likely be finished with the major prep courses and be officially declared into the major. I'll put 2026 fall of the coming academic year and choose the English BA. Some majors have pre-major status. Don't choose the pre-major status when modeling a DAR, as it will not show you the upper division major requirements. Some majors require a concentration, so you'll have to choose one to continue with modeling the DAR. As you can see here, you have the option to add a second major or minor to the plan. I'll click on minor. I'll estimate that I'll have the minor declared perhaps a little later than the English major, so I'll choose 2027 winter. Since it's a lower priority, and I'll choose the Asian American Studies minor. Now I'm ready to click Run Different Program and run my What-If DAR. Once it's loaded, you'll be able to see what your DAR would look like if you were an English major and Asian American Studies minor, as well as how the courses you've already taken up until that point would fulfill those major and minor requirements. And that's how you model a DAR to assist you with program planning.